Alrighty, so here we have the mouse trap that I just 3D printed. It's not my design, I just printed it on my 3D printer. And yeah, you can see how it works is you've got this little actuating arm, and take that off there. So yeah, it's a choking mouse trap, so it's not a live catch one. You got an actuator powered by a couple rubber bands, so no giant spring or anything like that to worry about. These are worth about, I don't know, 1 cent or something. Bought them in a big pack for $2 for a couple hundred. Yeah, and you use any type of string. I get cotton twine, so that's what mice are used to chewing through for the last few hundred years. So yeah, the idea is you put some bait down in the back behind where the bits of string go, and the string goes through under here. I usually tie a knot, but you don't actually have to because they're kind of pinching. So you put it through, bring it down, go around, and you bring it up, put it through that groove at the top there, pull it down, make sure the choker goes all the way down, turn it, put it through the groove at that, put it through there, and it is set. So yeah, see what I mean about the pinching? So yeah, works well. Now, the idea with, you put some seeds or peanut butter or something behind the actual one, it works like prison bars, so there's no way for the mouse to get through it. So I'm actually pushing on that. So the mouse will actually just end up chewing through it. Let me just grab the scissors here. And what happens when the mouse chews it is the following. So it'll chew either one. There you go, instant. So there's no way that the mouse is going to actually escape. And with the, as you can see, it's got some teeth on the bottom all the way. And yeah, they're actually pretty sharp on my fingers. They're not gonna cut you, but it actually stops the mouse from, wriggling and getting itself out of there. So yeah, this trap took me probably about, I don't know, about a day's worth to print. Took about 10-12 hours for the main base, and for the arm about another hour with the little pin and stuff that goes through, and another half hour or so for the two chokers to print nicely. This is just in standard PLA plastic, and yeah, it's done pretty well. I'll give it a bit of a test when I need to sometime. Anyways, enjoy guys, bye. Alright, so I'm going to bait this trap with some crunchy peanut butter because, they probably want to go and eat the nuts like as if they're seeds and stuff. Got with the all natural, no additives or anything, so it's probably the most delicious for them. And yeah, in there it's all oily at the bottom, just general peanut oil. So what I've done is I've put, probably tell there, some peanut butter in the back of each of them, and on one of them I'm going to just coat the strings in a bit of the peanut oil to see if that'll get them to chew it a little better. They might lick it for a bit and then chew it to get the stuff behind, so we'll see. So I'll oil up the one on the left, and I'll leave the one on the right just as it is with just the bait behind, and we'll see how we go.